Of Indiana's vaccination rollout plan is aimed at decreasing the COVID-19 death toll and hospitalization rates. Governor Holcomb announcing all Hoosiers 80 years old and older will be able to schedule their vaccination appointments starting Friday. Now, this comes as some hospitals prepare to get the green light to administer vaccines and stock to the most vulnerable population. Eyewitness News' Brandon Bartlett reports.
We're going to be moving on age group by age group.
By Friday morning, people 80 years old and older will be able to call or go online to book their vaccine appointment. There will be one vaccination clinic available in every county.
That's good news. That's that light at the end of the tunnel that you talked about a couple weeks ago.
The next age group set to be vaccinated are people 70 years old and older, then 60 years old and older, since people in those age groups make up 93% of COVID-19 related deaths and 64% of hospitalizations.
This rollout will take time.
There is no concrete timeline since the only vaccines available are those distributed by Moderna and Pfizer. But Indiana Department of Health's Chief Medical Officer Dr. Lindsay Weaver says they will be trying to vaccinate Hoosiers as quickly as possible.
I believe that we definitely have the infrastructure in place to be able to provide the vaccines that we have been allocated. We, of course, would love to have more vaccine and are limited in that.
Dr. Weaver explained it's going to be a collaborative 92-county effort to make sure all vials are being distributed to those who are eligible, even if that means moving spare vials around amongst other hospitals.
We definitely do not want any vaccine wasted, and so we have communicated very carefully with the hospitals a plan about not to waste it.
As we ramp up vaccine efforts, it's important that we don't lose sight of testing and our current rates of transmission.
This new step in the Indiana vaccination rollout plan is being announced as health officials see a spike in COVID-19 cases after the holidays. Brandon Bartlett, Eyewitness News.
Indiana health leaders have also decided for contact tracers to stop calling close contacts. People will still get text messages, and people who test positive will be asked to notify their close contacts.